200% profit on DigitalBits again, guys. For the third time, I just made $20,000 in DigitalBits. Guys, you guys remember, we trade DigitalBits in October 8. We bought this coin for 0.003 and you put a sell order right here, 0.006. We made 100%. Like I mentioned before the pump, there is a pre-pump right here. On this case, before the huge pump, we had the pre-pump, the second pump, guys. Like I mentioned before, we just need to calculate buyers versus sellers. That means buyer power. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.0045 and you put a sell order at 0.014. 210%, guys. I made $20,000. Let's go to the trade recap this week. On the last 4 days, to be more precise, the private list, I will have a Mirror Protocol, FireStarter, Pluton, PhoenixDAO, KaraStar DigitalBits. Like I mentioned, just made 200%. Guys, like I mentioned, don't worry about the price, okay? Worry about the volume. In order to find those coins, we need to calculate buyer power plus volume spike, okay? We only jump in coins has a high buyer power. That means the buyers are winning the fight, because there is a fight between buyers and buyers and sellers, okay? So the soft calculate buyer power plus volume spike. So when the second pump, we still have a lot of accumulation of the buyer power here. That's the reason I share in the private list, because I know it's gonna be one more pump. And I tell you what, I don't know if it's gonna be one more pump. Let's wait. I'm gonna wait for the soft alert me. When we have buyer power, we jump in the trade. Okay, guys, take a look at this volume. $60 million, 267, 5.24, 178,000, almost $1 million, $33 million, guys. If I made $42,000 on those trades, you can make the same profits I do. Just follow my trades. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. If you don't like to trade pumps, guys, we can trade for you. We can do a swing trade strategy on the main cryptos, Bitcoin, Polygon. Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin for a little. Guys, by the way, if you don't have a platform to trade, please reach me out. I'm gonna share a free platform for you. You don't have to pay for TradeView. TradeView costs $600 per year. This platform is free. Just email me, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Like I mentioned before, guys, if you watch my videos, you know, don't get too excited about Bitcoin. You see, at the same time, take a look at what's going on here in the volume. Okay, volume is trending down, guys. It's trending down. That's no good, guys. That's no good. Okay, I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. We still on the downtrend, guys. Downtrend. Okay, 420% profit in the last 4 days. I just made $42,000. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Welcome to our new members. Bye bye. See you next time.